Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this special Mother's Day cake. So sit back, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'll be using this two-tiered cake that I covered with fondant for the tutorial. Now I had to brush off the icing dust on the cake. As you can see, this is my brush. I dipped it into my edible spirit and I had to use it around the cake to clean off the icing dust. So that is it. But in case you don't want to use edible spirit, you can as well use your steamer to do this, to clean off all the icing dust on the cake. Right now I'm trying to design this cake to my taste, so I'm going to cover the cake base, both the top tier and the down tier, their bases. I'm going to use this pearl rope to cover those lines that are visible. So I had to dip my brush into the water, then attach the pearl rope so that it will stick to the cake. So that is what I just did. So in this video, I used this printed image. So this is me and my daughter. I had to print our pictures, but before I did that, I brought two of our pictures. I transferred the pictures to the Toon app. There's this app I have on my phone. It converts normal pictures to like cartoon-like, images. So I had to transform a normal image to like a cartoon image. As you can see, this picture looks as if it was painted, so that was why I had to transfer it to the Toon app. Then afterwards I saved it and printed it. So this is it. As you can see, it looks like a painted image, not even the main image. So that is it. So at this stage I had to like stick it to the cake. I used water. Then right now I'm going to use some vegetable oil to enhance the image. The reason why I'm using this vegetable oil is to make it shine, so that the picture will not look dull as it's pasted on the cake. So you can see the difference from what we had before. So the vegetable oil is making it to shine, it's making it to be neat, it's making the colors to pop up real good. So that is the essence why I use oil, to like highlight and enhance the image I have on my cakes. So right now this is an Ankara background, like it's a fabric, it's a type of Ankara fabric. So I had to also print it. So I'm going to use it on the cake. It's gonna serve as our dress. So that's the thing I had in mind earlier. So that's why I'm doing this. So I'm trying to fix it well so it will look real when I paste it on the image. So I'm trying to do my tailor work. As you can see right now, I'm trying to get the blouse effect. So this is my own blouse, so I'm trying to fix it well. Then I'm also pasting it on my daughter's image as well, to also give her her own blouse design effect. So that is it. So furthermore, I'm going to decorate this blouse to look very good. Right now I had to cut out fondant strip, roll it very thin. Then I'm going to paste some printed Accra image on it. So I'm trying to form some pleat designs, that will be at the kind of shoulder hair. So look at what we have. I want the blouse to stand out real good. So this is it. So I had to use my brush, wet it, then stick that pleat to the cake. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. So right now I'm trying to for my daughter, she has low cut, so I'm trying to form hair for her. So I'm going to use this fondant pieces to, like, give her that hair effect. So this is those little shuku hair design. So that is what I'm doing. I had to put little waters and use my brush, then wet it with water, then wet the fondant as well, the fondant pieces, then attach it to her hair area to cover the low cut. So look at what I'm doing. It's all about creativity. I'm trying to be creative here. So her hair, her shuku, little shuku hair is coming out. I'm done with that. So I'm trying to use something like a bracelet to place on her hair, that mother and daughter thing. So this is, at this stage I had to put mine. So I'm going to put on her head to make it look real. I hope you like what you're seeing. So I've done that too for her. At this stage, I'm trying to attach the cake topper. This is a Happy Mother's Day cake, so this is the topper on the cake, so that everybody will understand the concept behind this design. So right now, I'm trying to, decorate the cake more so that it will look very beautiful. That top needs some, designs on it as well. So here I had to cut some printed Accra, put it on the top. I had to use my flower strands to, like, support it and give it that beautiful look as well. So right now I'm using some gold leaves on the cake. Initially I wanted to add some polka dot, but it's like a common thing. I want this to look more unique, so I decided to use this gold leaves. So for you to attach gold leaves to your cake, all you need to do, just if it's a fondant cake, wet that area, then attach the leaf to it. But if it's a buttercream or whipped cream cake, just do it directly. It will stick because of its wetness. So that is it. I'm going to, like, go around the cake, but not at different places, not really at the place. I'm going to scatter it so it will look very, very unique. So that is what I'm doing right here. Wow, I hope you love what you're seeing. As you can see, the cake is really, really looking so beautiful. At this stage, I'm done with decorating this cake. So this is what we'll have here. It's so beautiful. I hope you love this cake. So let me see your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, and see you in my next video.